is often talked about. But do you think, I mean, open to the panel in terms of one or two things which you think will positively impact, and maybe one thing which might, I won't say adversely impact the existing players, but because whenever change happens, it's how fast people adapt and make it work. But at least any thoughts if the Insurance Amendment Act goes in the form as it was in 2008? Anything? I mean, maybe you want to start, Mr. Basu. Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, I think as you rightly said, this proposed bill is much more than what is debated in the newspaper. You know, newspaper only writes 49%. I think the 49% is important in the sense that when the sector was opened up and players came in from outside, they came in not only with large value of capital, but also technology and things like that. So if that is permitted to a greater extent, broadly it should benefit the industry. But from the life insurance perspective, I think there are again two things which I will come back to. The purpose of opening up or having a new insurance bill, I think primarily is twofold. In India, it is a country which is underpenetrated, underserved. So how many more people you can serve? That is one. And second, while this process of reaching out to more people goes on, you also need to keep in mind that the customer's interest, that is what we call a customer protection, is actually served. And to my mind, that is best served if we are able to use the insurance bill in such a manner that institutions or companies that grow in a manner which is sound. I mean, rather than, and the choice, ultimately, if we do that in the right way, it will be the customer who will determine the choice. He is the ultimate person who buys the product. So all other debates that crop up, like things like what is the ideal distribution channel, things like that, if it is the company which will determine, it is the company which will determine. Certainly certain things if a company does which is not in the interest of the consumer, the regulator is there to step in. But broadly, any change which is in these two directions, serving our ability to penetrate to more and more customers, and at the same time have products which protect the interests of the customer. If these are served, and I feel that the insurance bill should be a step in the right direction.